everyone. What a lovely fall day we're having. Today, I'm going to show you how to keep your outdoor projects running smoothly with Vibra-Stop, your go-to anti-vibration compound. This little powerhouse prevents screws, bolts, and other fasteners from loosening under extreme conditions, like from this lawnmower. Just apply it liberally to the threaded areas and let it dry for a few seconds. Then you're good to go. It creates a strong bond, and it's also reusable. Great for those who love tinkering. Now let's talk engines. Whether it's in your car or in your lawnmower, the vibrations and heat can really take a toll on your fasteners. That's why we offer Vibra-Stop in a heat-activated grade, meaning as your engine warms up, the product achieves permanent adhesion once heated over 150 degrees, forming an even stronger bond as temperatures increase. So you can drive confidently knowing everything is secure. Now let's talk about my bike. We all know how annoying it can be when screws loosen on a bumpy ride. Applying Vibra-Stop will hold everything together, even on those rugged trails. It even works in all kinds of materials like metals, plastics, and even wood. And it's not just for vehicles. Check out this drawer. See how loose the knob is? It can make it really hard to open. By coating the knob screw with Vibra-Stop, I'm ensuring it stays in place, minimizing wear and tear over time. Plus, it's easy to readjust as needed. So whether you're monitoring your lawnmower, fixing your bike, or adjusting a drawer, Vibra-Stop is your reliable partner. Cost-effective and super versatile. Vibra-Stop is used in an array of places. On your boat, building a gazebo, or working on your firearms. The possibilities are endless. Vibra-Stop is also offered in an aerosol can for faster application. Enjoy the fall season. Tackle those outdoor projects. And remember to keep things secure with Vibra-Stop. Check out Vibra-Stop and more of our bottled products online at our website, www.tectorius.com. Tectorius, assembly perfected.